Alright, so I'm pretty new to streaming if you guys don't know, and the setup is really hard for no reason, so I'm just going to quickly show you how I have my setup in OBS, and hopefully this is helpful for any new streamers or people who are just starting and don't really know what to do. So first we're going to want to create a scene here, but I already made one for this practice. We're going to want the main thing, that's our window capture. We're going to just create new, and we're going to use the Epic Games launcher and hit OK. And you're like, oh no, it's black. What do I do? It's okay. I got you. Instead of automatic, just change it to whatever Windows you're at. I'm at Windows 10. Boom. Now it pops up. So now we want the sound. That'll be your application audio. We're going to want to hit here. Create new. You can name it whatever you want, by the way, whatever makes sense to you. And we're going to make sure that it's the same thing. We're going to have it match title. Hit OK. And then now you see this. So when you're playing the game, the stream will be able to hear it, and you'll see this bar fluctuate. And if it's too loud, you just lower it a little. If it's too quiet, you raise it back up. But now you're like, oh, Zeke, how are they going to see me? I got you. Look at this. You hit video capture. We're going to add new, and then select your webcam. But I already have one existing, so we're just going to add existing. Then boom, there I am. Back again, but let me show you this. Look, now you can't see your game. You just have to make sure you just adjust the size. Oh, I just did the wrong thing, JK. There we go. Now if you hit Alt and drag this, you could decrease the size that horizontally. But you may be wondering, I don't really want my room in the background. Is there a way that I could just remove it without buying a green screen? And some people will say just to buy it. But if you don't want to buy it, you don't have to. Look at this. Boom. I can show you how to do that in another video if you're interested. But now it's there, now it's not, and you could see pretty much everything clearly, and it doesn't look like I'm a bad cutout. Like I can move, and it's good. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know in the comments, and I can make a video on that. But after you have that, we're going to also want our mic because they're not going to be able to hear us. We're going to then do add audio input. Same thing, create new. You'll see this pop up. And boom, there's my mic. And you see it popping up now. So this means that it's capturing the audio, and that's good. That's what we want. So next what we'll need is we're going to need to go to settings, and you're going to want to hit stream. Select your service. I'm using Twitch. Feel free to follow me at Zeke from next week. And it'll choose a server for you, whatever works for you. And then what you want to do here, I'm already connected. You will connect your account here. It'll launch another window. But you know how that goes with, just logging in. You log into your account, then boom, you connect it. I'm going to hit cancel, but you usually hit OK. And also, before we do that, we're going to want our output. Select audio track 1 for your stream. For your VOD track, that's the video that saves after you're done streaming. Select 6. Hit OK. I'm going to hit cancel just because I already have everything set up. And that's good. You don't need to mess with the other settings. If you do, it's at your own risk because my whole stream was just a black screen because I messed with the bitrate and too many other things. If you know what you're doing and you know your PC specs well enough to mess with that, do it. I didn't, or I thought I did and didn't, and I just had a black stream for a bit. So yeah, that's pretty much how you set it up, and it's pretty simple after you get the hang of it.